so I decided on the Rockshore cider. It's a light drink. It's refreshing because I'm actually parched. It's quite warm outside, so here I am. Sure, it's a spot. So we're gonna down this and we'll get back outside and enjoy the music. Good evening, everyone. Welcome this evening actually. We are back in one of the places I started my vlogging career. I think it was the third or the fourth vlog. We're in Taghmon Village. So today Taghmon is having our festival where they're gonna have music, live music from like 6:30 in the evening up until I think 11 o'clock at night. So we're gonna go and see what it's like in Taghmon on this, where the whole main street will be cordoned off and it'll be live music and some crack around and people. And I brought little Ronan here, so he's gonna run around the streets and see what it's like and the music. And anyways, we'll just see what it's like. Here we're coming onto the main street. There's the Guard of Shikana sitting there. Here's Alice Brady's. We stopped and had a pint with myself and Peter on the Taghmon vlog. We came in and we had a pint after we did the Brownswood Forest Walk. And here's a mural on the side of the building. Here we go. Emily's family is involved in that. John Waters was fixing up the marshalling, and then there's her uncle Peter. He's up there in the yellow vest shaking everyone's hands. So that's where the music will be. So it's a little town fair. There's Alice Brady's, like I said, and we'll go see what this is like. Hello, Mike. Hey, hard to work?
Oh, 1 2 1 2 1 2.
He's been on it already. He's a celebrity.
Oh yeah, we done well.
Biggest fan I've seen.
Yeah. We done well.
We did, yeah. I've had a lot of people bug me to keep coming back to Taghmon, so figured.
I'm gonna get an ice cream.
Yeah. You get an ice cream.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Are you gonna get him one?
No way.
Okay, I'm gonna stay out here.
1 2.
No, he'd destroy himself. He can have a lick of yours. There's some face painting there you can get done for the kiddies. Let's see what this is like.
I'll sing you a song.
Turn it off a bit until it gets a little bit, like it starts, I think it's starting in about a half an hour and it'll be going on today. So they're doing sound checks right there now. Let's walk around the Taghmon Village a bit. We'll go up to the top of the road and back, bring back the old memories of the very first time I was here vlogging.
I'll bring you tomorrow.
Here's a little map of the Taghmon Village. So here we are right here, right at Main Street and Ross Street. If you continue on down that way, you'd get to the St. Mun's Well, where we did the walk in the Brownswood. And then, so this is basically the main thing, and it has all the different places that are important. And here's Ronan. Yay! I'll let him run about a bit. Get his feet tired out. He's been running all day supposedly while I was on my way up in my previous vlog, which was Greystones. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're enjoying the content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the like. And don't forget to leave a comment. It helps with the algorithms of the channel.
It's a long, long way from here. It's a long, long way from here. It's a long, long way and it gets further day by day. It's a long, long way from here. Well, the only time I feel alright is when I get a long way from here. It's a long, long way and it gets further day by day. Dummy nuts, I got to see you well. You finally got a dummy number story I will tell. But down the dummies up the lake, so say me this and that, you let the go on a little day. The ups and downs and down on you, and up to all your ranks. From the know you as a trader, from the very ranks.
So it's still early at night. They have the live music started, so you can see more and more people are starting to gather around. I think at the end of the evening it'll be full, so just take a walk up the top of the town there. So it's pedestrianized the main part of it, and then you have some traffic around, but they're having it cordoned off. Small enough town. They have a neat one on St. Patrick's Day. Maybe one time I'll come here for the St. Patrick's Day parade, because it comes basically up and down this road twice. Goes up and down. Mostly it's just a bit of tractors and that, and the local GA club and a few other things. But it's an interesting little country village type of appeal. So, and there's the one takeaway there. There's chips and that. And then the Family Resource Center to help support the local community. And then we're parked down on the other side. So that's basically the whole village. It's not a massive yoke. There's a couple little pubs there, like there's the Cuckoo's Corner. There's 1, 2, 3, I think there's 3 or 4 pubs. I think one of them shut down, but for a small little village, it's more than enough. Like every pub is, it has locals, like what you like as your local, and certain clientele, and it's an extension of the living room. Of course, that all took a turn during the pandemic, and that where people actually started to drink at home. In Ireland, most people never drank at home. The little guy Ronan seems to like the music. He's a natural dancer, which I am not. I do not like the old dancing, so I don't know where he gets that from. Definitely not me.
You know?
I forgot to introduce us. We are the Crackpots. Yeah, I'll try that again. We are the Crackpots. Thank you. Guess which is family. And we're here till about 7:30, I think, to give you a few Irish folk songs and a few ballads and a few rebel songs, and to watch this young fella dancing. Basically, yeah, stolen the show. It always happens to us. We turn up practicing for years and years and years and all this investment, and then we have one little fella dancing around the place and anyone has eyes on him. And why not? He's a little beauty. Okay, so listen, we'll be playing plenty of songs that you know, and hopefully you'll join in singing along and you won't be embarrassed because you're sitting out on the street and your neighbours are looking at you. Just carry on and enjoy yourself. The sun is shining and we'll have a bit of fun, alright? We're going to give you this one from the Dublin City Rambler. Oh, the little boats are gone from the rest of Carliffe, very well they're stand on the quay. And the Dublin box is dying and the way life is gone, and their money that was very well paid. It was the only life I knew, it was hard but never lonely, living very made a man of me. If you value your life, don't join my place, if the old place is a Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and well done them dancers. There's dancers all over the place. You're doing a great job. You're helping the sun come out. If you keep
So it's been going on for about a half an hour now. And you can see the crowd's getting a little bit busier. I think I might go in for get a pint. See what that's like. Here's the little guy. He's going up. He's hit of the crowd. Him. I think what I'll do is I'll go in the Brady's and get a pint. It's a little thirsty out there. I've been going since about 5:15 this morning. No glasses or bottles outside. All right. How are you? Okay, so I decided on the Rockshore cider. It's a light drink. It's refreshing because I'm actually parched. It's quite warm outside, so here I am. Sure, it's a spot. So I'm gonna down this and we'll get back outside and enjoy the music. All right, it's finished off. Here's the little snug they have out there. It's a pretty busy bar, so we're gonna head outside. I'm gonna go to the bathroom first, and then we'll head out and enjoy the rest of it. So let's go find Emily.
Thank you very much.
Where is she going to?
Now, just in case you need a reminder, we are the Crackpots. There's Mick Sweeten. The baby's hanging out of him. Did you ever think you'd see the day? Did you ever think you'd see the day? You weren't in the toilet with me. You were in the toilet spying on me. That's a different thing completely.
Celebrities here. There's Paw Patrol for the kiddies. Hi, how are you? it's been a long day for me. This is going to go on through the nights. They're going to have another band, a big generator at 9 o'clock. So they have radio, like music. There's another band getting ready. So this will be going on probably till the wee hours of the morning. So you're allowed to bring drinks into the square there from the pubs, as long as you use the plastic glasses. And I'm tired. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. If you watch the other vlog, I have the Greystones, and then we added this little bit of Taghmon. This is a little street sale, street party with the music and that in Taghmon Village. You know, it's nice to see all the kids running around and having fun, and it's very harmless and that. And I'm sure it'll get a little bit more rowdier as the night goes on and the kids disappear, but we brought the little guy, Ronan. He's only 21 months, so he's so very tired and he's fallen, so we're gonna bring him home, and then I'll probably enjoy my night and take it easy. So signing off from Taghmon, and we'll be back here again soon, I'm sure of it.